In this video, I'm going to show you how to check leaderboards in Squad Busters. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Squad Busters on your device and sign in to your account. And here, just go ahead and hit on the play button. Start a game on Squad Busters to be able to check leaderboards in the app. So just go ahead and click on the play button to start the game on your device. So this section will take you about 30 seconds to be able to find other players on the platform along with the setup and the game mode for the match to be selected by the platform. Now, once the game has started, what you can do is to play the game and do your best not to fail or lose on the game. The game Squad Busters will allow you to select the squads that you can use during the game along with the teammates that the squad will have for this game. Different game modes has different mechanics on the game, so make sure that you know the mechanics of each game modes available on the platform. Once the match is done, you'll be able to find the leaderboard for this match displayed in the section along with the gems that each of the player has collected during the match, and that's how you can simply check leaderboards in Squad Busters. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.